Alright, so now we're finally on to the end here. We're finally on to the end here of this problem. In the previous two videos, we've been working with the equation, and I can just slip back real quick here to show you. We've been working with this equation here, 2x plus 3y equals 12, and we found 4 or 5 different solutions for this. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I've taken and put those 5 solutions into a chart with my x and y values. Each one of those, each pair, is going to correspond to a point. So here I have the point 3, 2, 6, 0, 0, 4, and so on. And so we want to graph those on our graph. And so I come off here first, say, well, my first point is 3, 2. Oops, I got way ahead of myself there. My first point here is 3, 2. So that's going to be over 3, and then up 2. Alright, so that's my first point. Then I have the point 6, 0. That's just going to be completely over 6. Alright, not going up at all. And then I have 0, 4, so don't go over, and then just go up 4. And that lands me at 0, 4. And then we have the point negative 3, comma 6. So that's going to take me 3 points to the left. So I'm going to go to the left 3, and then I'm going to be sliding up 6. And that lands me at that point. The very last one is x equals 4.5, y equals 1. So we're going to go over 4.5 on the x, and then go up 1. So halfway between 4 and 5 there, and then up 1. Okay, so at this point we've plotted all the points, and if you look at this graph, you'll notice that a straight line actually passes through each of these points. So there, if I draw a straight line, it goes through all of these points. And it turns out anytime we have an equation that's linear, that has just x and y without any exponents on it, that's going to have a graph that's going to be a straight line. And so that's leading into what we're going to start to uncover in the next section, which is graphing lines. We're going to be graphing lines by coming up with some points for our equation, and then plotting those on a graph, and then drawing those. Okay, so we're going to continue with this idea of graphing into the next section.